which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is... So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 short tubes and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
It comes in
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
It's virtually the same, isn't it?
yeah, but some
It
of them,
comes with so
are the
many
same.
fireworks.
Next is the shuttle fountain.
In the box. Take it out of the box.
No, leave it in the box. Push it down into the ground.
Where? It's not put stuff.
These Tesco fireworks are rubbish. Why are they not lighting? There's another one that's not lighting.
Get some sparks though. Look, it's touching it. It's not.
Well, these Tesco fireworks, they don't even light. Hold it next to it, yeah?
What?
You just have to press it on it.
Yeah, let me do it.
You press it on it. You don't press it on.
Oh.
This is finished. Give me the blue lighter. These Tesco cheap tack rubbish fireworks.
Oh, this is gonna be scary.
She's not even lighting.
Sit.
Blood. That's a banana fountain.
Next one.
That wasn't that good.
Bush Bee is next.
I wanna do one.